fast-changing digital landscape, the threats of cyber attacks have become more real than ever before. It is not just about protecting your data, but also safeguarding the core of your business. And this is where Amtec Consulting Company Ltd comes in. Welcome to Amtec, and for more details, please follow me. Amtec provide a portfolio of comprehensive solutions and services that help organizations to manage risks that have got a direct impact to their business. So it's not only about identifying risk, but also prioritizing resources, and also help to track mitigations in real time. In today's digital age, every industry is at risk of cyber attacks. We at Amtec, we have solutions that can be customized and tailored for any organization, be it telecoms, be it banks, be it financial institutions, being government institutions, etc. So we have solutions that can be tailored for any organization. We are doing this without compromising efficiency for an organization, and we do it in a very friendly way so that everybody in the organization can be aware of the threats and the mitigation, be it a technical person or a non-technical person. Don't wait for a cyber attack to strike. Be proactive and choose Amtec and prioritize your cyber security. When it comes to your business, there should be no compromise to cybersecurity. Amtec, your shield throughout.